Hello friends, welcome once again to
Indian Restro.
In today's episode, we bring you a completely new and uniquely flavored dish, Muttonpura Mughlai cream. This dish is a wonderful fusion of Mughlai culinary tradition and modern cooking style, where mutton keema, vegetables, and soft maida paratha come together to create a royal taste experience. To prepare this recipe, we will need chopped carrots, chopped beans, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, mutton keema, 2 portions of maida dough, chopped green chilies, chopped ginger, garam masala powder, ghee, sweet curd, sugar, salt, and turmeric powder. With these simple ingredients, we will create today's special Muttonpura Mughlai cream. First, heat white oil in a kadhai and rotate the pan so that the oil spreads evenly across the surface. Then add 1 bowl of chopped onions and start frying. When the onions turn light brown, add 1 bowl each of chopped carrots, beans, and tomatoes and mix well. Once the vegetables soften slightly, add the mutton keema and sauté thoroughly. Then add 1 bowl of chopped ginger and sprinkle garam masala powder over it. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and cook everything well so that all the ingredients blend nicely and the keema is properly cooked. Now we move on to preparing the paratha. Roll out the 2 portions of maida dough separately. Then add a little ghee to the prepared keema mixture and lightly fry it again, then transfer it to a bowl. Next, heat oil in a flat pan and spread it evenly. Once the pan is hot, place the rolled dough and prepare 2 parathas one by one. Then spread the keema mixture over 1 paratha and place the other on top like a sandwich. Cut it into 4 triangular pieces. Finally, pour sweet curd on each piece and garnish with chopped onions before serving. This way, your delicious and creamy Muttonpura Mughlai cream will be ready, rich in taste and equally appealing in presentation. Although the name Muttonpura Mughlai cream sounds modern and fusion-based, its roots are deeply embedded in Bengal's Mughlai culinary tradition. Mughlai cuisine in India began during the Mughal Empire, especially in the regions of Delhi and Awadh, where Persian and Central Asian cooking blended with Indian ingredients to create a rich culinary style. This cuisine was known for its use of ghee, meat, curd, dry fruits, and aromatic spices, symbolizing royal taste and fragrance. Later, during the Nawabi era, especially when Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh came to Kolkata, he brought Mughlai culinary traditions with him. The chefs of his court began preparing various Mughlai dishes in Kolkata, which gradually became part of the city's food culture. As a result, Mughlai paratha, keema-based dishes, and curd-rich recipes became very popular in Kolkata. On the streets and in old eateries of Kolkata, Mughlai paratha became a well-known street food, especially loved for its stuffing of keema, eggs, and spices. From this tradition, new fusion dishes gradually emerged, combining classic flavors with modern presentation. Muttonpura Mughlai cream is a modern example of this evolution. While it includes mutton keema, vegetables, and maida paratha, it also incorporates sweet curd and a mild sweetness, reflecting the Bengali palate. Mughlai dishes traditionally used curd and ghee, but a subtle sweetness has been added here to suit local tastes, making it unique. In present-day Kolkata, fusion food culture is rapidly growing, especially among the younger generation. They enjoy modern variations of traditional dishes that retain a touch of heritage. Muttonpura Mughlai cream is a perfect example. It represents both the richness of Mughlai tradition and the creativity of modern cooking. In conclusion, this dish is not just food, but a reflection of cultural evolution, where history, tradition, and modernity blend beautifully. In Kolkata's diverse food culture, such innovative dishes continue to enrich the culinary landscape. So friends, that's all for today's amazing recipe. In the next episode,
Indian Restro.
we'll return with another new and exciting dish. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your food.